Hi. Here's a short overview of our new study planner for Point Zero. As you can see, the main menu has been divided into 5 study-related categories: Study, Plan, Progress, Review, and Blog. In your Study view, you will find left-hand menu with all your weekly readings and lessons listed one by one. A progress bar for your study week together with the weekly benchmark study time, and buttons to navigate between the weeks. In your study view, you'll also find study lessons displaying the available study materials such as videos, ebooks, tests, or formulas. Inside study lessons, you can tick off your study content when done and add star for later review. After you acquire the first lesson in the reading, you can move on to another lesson. Just choose it by using the left-hand week menu. As you can see, you can also star and tick off lessons, so that you can develop your own system of managing your study process. Of course, as in the previous version of our study planner, you can change reading status from not done to partially done and done. Plan tab takes you to your CFA Exam Study Plan, where you can personalize it using drag and drop. Progress tab shows you your study progress both in the form of a Gantt chart and as your chance to pass score. Inside the Gantt chart, click any reading you want to display. The first lesson that is not ticked off in this reading will show up on the screen. I think is worth noticing that not only you can study using our study materials, but also you can add your own notes to lessons, videos, or formulas. Thanks for listening. Take care.